Danfoss Turbocor is really shifting perspectives in terms of industry decarbonization. With a high energy efficiency, Danfoss Turbocor is helping industries to be more efficient, to be more sustainable, because with energy efficiency, low GWP refrigerants, and lower carbon footprint product, we can really help industry to decarbonize. So it's really changing the paradigm of sustainability. So introducing a very high energy efficiency product that is designed to dedicated specific applications like cooling data centers, applications like a heat pump, heat recovery, and making industries, buildings, and the whole society, let's say, with a lower carbon footprint. Our recent investments also in manufacturing are using the latest technologies to make sure that we produce our compressor in a lower carbon footprint manufacturing spaces. So the new factory in Tallahassee is planned to be carbon neutral by 2030. As long as we apply the technologies that we have in Danfoss, heat exchangers, balance valves, turbocore compressors, we can really bring energy efficiency to a very different level. So this is really a shifting in our industries, because energy efficiency, it is the fastest and the cheapest way to save energy.